Yamaha is bringing new life to the lightweight dual sport segment with the debut of the 2026 WR125R, a small displacement machine designed to deliver maximum versatility on and off the pavement. With its variable valve actuation, VVA, engine, willing chassis, and rider-friendly ergonomics, the WR125R aims to blend urban practicality with trail-ready performance, all at an approachable price point of $3,999. Aimed at both new riders looking to explore two-wheeled adventure and experienced motorcyclists who want a simple, economical go-anywhere bike, Yamaha says the WR125R is a do-it-all machine designed to open the gates of two-wheeled adventure. At the heart of the WR125R is a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine equipped with Yamaha's variable valve actuation (VVA) system. The setup uses two separate intake cam profiles, one optimized for low and mid-range torque, the other for high RPM power, switching automatically based on engine speed and throttle position. The result, Yamaha claims, is a power band that feels broader than its modest displacement suggests, delivering excellent power and torque across the rev range. Fuel injection ensures crisp throttle response, while the efficient single-cylinder engine is said to offer nearly 200 miles of range on a tank of fuel. Yamaha has equipped the WR125R with KYB suspension front and rear, tuned for both street comfort and off-road control. Up front, a 41mm inverted fork offers 8.5 inches of travel, while the linkage-type KYB rear shock provides 7.3 inches of travel. Braking duties are handled by a 267mm front disc with a twin-piston caliper and a 220mm rear disc with a single-piston caliper. The front brake is backed by a Bosch single-channel ABS unit. No word at video time whether or not ABS can be disabled. The WR125RS design draws heavily from Yamaha's YZ and WR competition machines, featuring slim, motocross-inspired bodywork and a flat, narrow seat that allows the rider to easily shift body position when navigating corners or obstacles. True to its dual sport mission, the WR125R rides on a 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel, wrapped in Dunlop D605 dual sport tires. Riders will have a plethora of options when it comes to off-road rubber. Don't let the dual sport digs fool you. The WR125RS tech reflects modern expectations. The bike comes equipped with Yamaha Motorcycle Connect, Y-Connect, a Bluetooth-enabled system that pairs the motorcycle with a smartphone via the free Y-Connect app for iOS and Android. Through the app, riders can view call, text, and email notifications, track ride data such as distance, fuel consumption, and acceleration, and even locate the motorcycle. The LCD instrument panel keeps all key information in view at a glance. Yamaha's designers borrowed styling cues directly from the brand's competition lineup. The WR125RS twin-lens LED headlight is housed within a minimalist front fairing, giving the bike a sharp, modern look while offering practical illumination for nighttime riding. The semi-double cradle frame combines lightness with durability, ensuring the WR can withstand the rigors of dual-sport riding. Despite its compact dimensions, the bike maintains roomy ergonomics that suit riders of varying sizes. Yamaha will offer the 2026 WR125R in Team Yamaha Blue or Black, with availability beginning this month, November 2025, at Yamaha dealerships. With its combination of modern technology, approachable performance, and dual-sport capability, the new WR125R fills an important role in Yamaha's lineup. It provides an accessible, affordable way for riders to experience the freedom of adventure riding. We look forward to testing the new VVA engine,